Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time and I'm aware of that. And I have some stories to tell you. But first of all, please ignore my hair because I just got out of the shower. So it's a little crazy. Also, look at my llama shirt. How cute is this? I love it. Okay. Anyway, so basically today is just going to be a chatty get ready with me. I'm not really going to be talking about the products that I'm putting on my face, but I'm going to be telling you stories of why I've been gone, what's been going on, why I haven't uploaded recently, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to start. So basically I know it's been 2 weeks, and I know that is a little ridiculous. I wasn't even really hoping to be gone, but it just life kind of happened like that. So basically what happened is I spilled water all over my MacBook. It was a hard thing to swallow for me. I clearly didn't mean to spill water all over my MacBook. It just happened. And it wasn't even my fault. Like, what was very upsetting was that so I had my MacBook over here on this corner of my desk, and on this corner of my desk I had a cup of water that like didn't have a lid on it or anything. So I was like playing my guitar and I got up because I heard a weird noise in my closet. And my closet's this way because you don't know where my room layout. My closet is over here. And so I go over there to check said noise, and when I turn around, the neck of my guitar, which if you don't know what that is, it's like the part that holds the strings at the top and then has the frets and stuff up there. Anyway, that part hit the water bottle, or hit the water cup, ricocheted across the desk, and tumbled on top of my computer. So I couldn't just throw my guitar. I tried to hurriedly go put it on my bed where the case was, and I grabbed my computer and turned it upside down like I was shown to do in case anything ever like happened to it or whatnot. My computer ended up turning off, which it is not a good sign when you have spilled something on it, because it means probably dead forever. So my mom gave it to one of our friends that works on computers and like fixes things and all the fun stuff like that. So he ended up coming back and saying that my computer would only work when it was plugged into a power source. So he said it was working and everything like was working when it was plugged into the power source. But if it wasn't plugged into a power source, it wouldn't work. We were like, okay, can't we just leave it plugged into the power source all the time? And basically, he explained that no, you can't do that. It's bad for your computer and that I was gonna need to get it fixed. I was dreading hearing that because previously my sister spilled coffee on her computer, which her computer ended up being fine, like nothing really happened to it, but we had taken it to Apple anyway, and they had quoted that it was going to be $750 to fix the computer. Well, I was really hoping that the guy that we gave it to was gonna say that it didn't need to be done, because there is no way that I just have $750 lying around. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't have that kind of money just laying around. Obviously, like, I had to fix my computer or I would have no computer. We asked him how much he would charge to fix the computer, and he ended up quoting us like $500 something, but it was just like, he was just gonna be fixing like one part, and Apple told us that they would just fix everything, and he said he couldn't guarantee that it would work after he did whatever he did to it. So me and my mom just ended up deciding that the best option was just gonna be to take it to Apple and let them fix it, because they were gonna replace everything and that we would know that my computer would work. And ultimately my dad ended up loaning me the $750 to repair the computer, because he knows that I just don't have that kind of money lying around. But I am going to be slowly paying him back, which was very, very generous of him to do that for me. So shout out to my dad. But that's why I was gone, because Apple had my computer for like ever, and I did upload one video while Apple had my computer, but I used my mom's computer to edit it. But I just felt bad asking for her computer to edit videos, so I was like, okay, I'm just not gonna upload, because they told me it would be a week, and I was like, okay, I think a week will be okay, and then I'll just explain what happened. So that was my idea. That was what I was going for. And all was good, and I was still filming because I was preparing for like my videos when I came back. I was gonna get my wisdom teeth taken out. So actually, like, I think day before or 2 days before I got my wisdom teeth taken out, I got my computer back. So I had filmed like 6 videos for you guys so that I could get some more content up and that we would get going. But turns out that my camera actually did not record those videos. So I was very upset, as one would be. I had filmed those videos and my plan was to edit while I was in recovery from my wisdom teeth because I knew I wouldn't be able to do anything. Well, when I tried to upload the footage to my computer from my camera, I realized that there was no footage, and there were actually like 3 videos on my camera, but it had only recorded half of each of those videos. I couldn't just like upload half a video, because like who could do that? That would be weird. One of them was this type of video where I was doing like a Chatty Get Ready With Me explaining like about my computer and about me having my wisdom teeth taken out, but like I was gonna have videos while I was in recovery from wisdom teeth. So that when that happened, I was just very frustrated again because I wasn't gonna have videos up because I couldn't record because my wisdom teeth were taken out and my cheeks were like super fat. Like super fat. So anyway, my cheeks were super fat and I could not film. Also, like I could barely speak and I could barely touch like my face without just like pain. So I was like, okay, I just can't film. So I just had to wait until like now to start filming again because I can now touch my face and put makeup on and all that kind of fun stuff. So it was just a really frustrating time. Obviously, I'm fine. I have a checkup today actually with the dentist or the oral surgeon to make sure that everything's going smoothly and that my wisdom teeth are not causing me any problems anymore. Yeah, so that's basically everything in a nutshell that has been going on. What I wanted to do this week to like make it up to you guys is try to get out 5 videos this week, so I'll post Monday through Friday. And if I don't post Monday through Friday, I'll get it out through either Saturday or Sunday. But that's my plan anyway. I'm really sorry for everything. If you guys were looking forward to my videos or anything, or if you guys even cared or noticed that I was gone. I'm just really sorry. Like, it wasn't planned and I was really stressed about it. But anyway, everything's good now. So those are my stories of where I've been. Comment down below if you've had any crazy things happen this week to you or this past few weeks. Let me know if you had your wisdom teeth out and like how you felt. Did you feel like death? Because I knew I did. I was so hungry the whole time. I just wanted to eat real food and I could not chew anything. 4 or 5 days, I don't even know. It was horrible. And all I could eat was like things that would melt in my mouth. But like I couldn't eat a lot because my mouth hurt so bad, so I was just like not eating. Alright guys, so that is actually all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this Chatty Get Ready With Me. I'm so sorry for being gone for so long, but I'm trying to make it up to you guys with 5 videos this week. So anyway, don't forget that we are doing a 100 subscribers giveaway. So if you have any friends, tell them to come over, check out my channel, subscribe. And then once I get 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. It means the world to me. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.